Hey, so does Helium 10 work in Saudi Arabia? Which Helium 10 tools work in Saudi Arabia? This video, we're going to cover all the tools that work in Amazon Saudi Arabia, so you can base your decision whether to use Helium 10 for Saudi Arabia or not. And in the description, you're going to find a free trial of Helium 10 along with the best discounts and a playlist with over 200 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. And many of the tools that we're going to cover today of Helium 10 are going to be in that tutorials playlist. And great to meet you, Vova. Evan, myself, seller on Amazon since 2016. Now we're on the page of which tools are supported in which markets by Helium 10. It's going to be linked in the description for you as well. I recommend you checking it because it's constantly updated. So it says here it is updated regularly. So if new tools appear in different marketplaces, then you can check it. Generally, you can find all the marketplaces, for example, European marketplaces here, Middle East, Africa, and whatnot. So, but today we're going to speak about does Helium 10 work in Amazon FBA Saudi Arabia. So let's go through the tools. Again, I remind you, best discounts, free trial for Helium 10 are in the description. So Scribbles. Scribbles is a tool for a listing builder. Basically, it's also called listing builder these days kind of thing. Scribbles basically is a tool where you build your listings and you can generally build a good listing there because this is a tool specifically for listings building. And again, as a part of my free course in the description, I show you how to use it. Pretty cool tool. Next one is operations. And within operations tools, you have alerts, which is a really nice tool that helps you get alerted whenever things change on your listing. So maybe review that is negative lands on your listing and you can quickly respond to that review, basically respond to that customer from within Amazon, try to contact them, or maybe you have a hijacker on your listing or a price change or the dimensions of your product change, whatnot. So alerts is going to help you with the sending straight away an email. And I think it's a really good tool because things on Amazon change sometimes for weird reasons or kind of no reason, just because. Honestly, it's so weird, but that is the truth. And alerts is going to help you be notified when it happens. So you're not going to miss out on whatever happened and you'll be quick to respond. Inventory Protector is a nice tool that basically helps you not to go out of stock with products. So through Inventory Protector, you can set up the maximum purchase quantity for different products. You can also do it through Amazon itself, through the Seller Central, especially if you have a small shop. It's not a problem. If you have a big shop, sometimes it's a lot of manual work. Well, with Inventory Protector, basically you can do it from within the Helium 10 application. All you have to do is just set up, let's say, maximum 4 units purchase of a product, and that's it. That's the maximum people will be able to buy in one go. And it's good if you're running different discounts, and also it's good for many other reasons. Sometimes maybe some weird fraud can happen if you don't have any kind of a limit on the amount of purchases that you have per product. So I'd recommend you setting maximum 4 or 5, it depends on your product actually, but units that can be sold in one time. Okay, the next one is Inventory Manager. It's a great tool for inventory management. So it's going to show you how long you have your stock for. So for example, you tell Helium 10 that it takes 30 days to produce your product and another 30 to ship it to Amazon. And let's say you're having 10 sales a day. So within 30 days, you're going to run out of stock for 300 units. So let's say if you want to start creating those units, Helium 10 will tell you, hey, you're running out of stock and when to order new stock. Pretty good tool because Amazon FBA is inventory-based business and you can go out of stock easily, you can overstock easily. So with the Inventory Manager, less likely to happen. But of course, you still have to use your own brain and understanding of how to work with products and inventory. Refund Genie is the last part for operations. It's a tool for reimbursements, Amazon FBA reimbursements. So this tool will allow you to get refunds and reimbursements from Amazon for lost and damaged goods. So that means that, for example, if Amazon lost some of your products, then through Refund Genie, you'll be able to contact them and ask for refunds. Okay, so you can do it manually as well, but Refund Genie kind of generates different templates for you to do it kind of on your behalf, and you'll just have to talk with Amazon. It's pretty nice. I am currently using another alternative for that called Getida, which I'll link down in the description for you as well. Getida is a tool that kind of automates the reimbursements process, and it's a bit more advanced in my opinion than Refund Genie, although with both of them I had success, but that's what it is. So next one is analytics. So Profits tool is a tool for profit analytics for Amazon sellers. And basically it's going to show you your bottom line profit. So you're going to input the price of the product that you're selling, cost of goods basically. And based on the sales on Amazon, based on all the refunds that you're getting and all the Amazon fees, everything, you're going to have finalized profits within Helium 10 Profits. So you can see actually if you're profiting on Amazon or not. Again, I'll remind you in the description, free trial and best discounts for Helium 10. and also the playlist of tutorials that's also gonna appear here on the screen now, so you can learn how to use most of those tools. So basically for Amazon Saudi Arabia, Helium 10 is a good option, and hopefully it's gonna be useful for you. I'm wishing you a great day. Let's talk in comments if you have any questions, and have a great life. All the links are in the description for you. Have a great life. Bye.